valley.
Entry down there, there's nothing there. Beautiful shot on my GoPro, hopefully lined up with that behind you. Yee! And I'll grab a still off it.
Rocking the Franklin!
Might want to hang on, Ev. Woo!
No, you did that purposely right there.
Yee-hee! Yippee!
Back pedal team!
Oh, it is.
Insanity. Behind you, people. Look that way, Lucas. Oh, we're going to go and have a walk up there.
Happy punters. Happy punters. The guides are going to line the rafts through the Thunder Rush. So the rafts will be going down with no one on them. And what a spectacular place this is. It's not all life on the water. Sometimes you've got to go around the shit because it's just too big.
John. It's a good choice.
When we get down to Rafter's Basin, the reason why it's called Rafter's Basin is because back in the day, they the first sort of rafts that just smack together with tire tubes.
An exciting morning on the Franklin. Some scintillating rapids, a bit of portage, and the boys have done well. Looked after us.
We're all very impressed with Johnny's Aerodite shoes.
Yeah, exactly.
How does he do it?
Yeah, man, Spider-Man.
He's like the gecko.
Exactly.
Spidey-Man, Spider-Man. And we're in a serene gorge.
Trying to keep it steady while balanced perched on a rock. We've just stopped for a spot of lunch underneath this beautiful little waterfall in this little corner. It's lovely. It's just got some speed up. Rafter's Basin, yeah.
It does look like a basin.
Amazing. Okay, this is my setup for tonight. Got my stuff all nicely dried in the sun. Got the hoochie up over the top. Very comfy, charging some batteries at the moment. If we go this way, believe it or not. Yeah, believe it or not. No, not that way, this way. Yeah. Pretty, isn't it? Yeah. Right. Up here, through the trees in the high ground, we've got the Fellows Campground.
Fellows Campground.
How are you, mate?
Good, thanks, Tony. That'll make bad video, but still.
No worries.
I'm actually going to. Could you actually carve your name, Evan, age 8, on the back of it?
No, it's actually 666. Actually, I was going to put in there 666.
Look at it.
We've been blessed by the forest angels, mate.
This is Ev's hangout for the evening. Nice. With the
Blessed.
sun there. Looking
Blessed.
great.
Blessed by the forest angels.
We should have done that together really for it to work, shouldn't we, Ev? Oh, look at that. That's a long way down there. Oh, that's my legs.
There's another step there. Oh. I don't reckon I could do another 10 days of this. I'd need a break.
You would?
Yeah.
It's good value though, isn't it?
Fucking sensational.
Mm.
Can't
Oh,
stop
don't want to
because
film your
there's
bum.
So much to see and look at, and to do, and to explore.
Oh, thanks. Oh, I need to grab a cup. Grab a cup. No, you're right. Oh, need a cup. Battery still charging. Cup. we go. Go down this way. Got the camp kitchen here.
And Tony with the GoPro.
And Tony with the GoPro, and here's a little hammock set up across the river for one of the guides. Little side creek running out here.
No one actually knows he's
And the Franklin's over there with the rafts.
We've never seen Tone. Tone.
Yeah.
Just time. And all the crates only just have one name.
Exactly, yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah, who else had one name? Caesar. Yeah, yeah.
Like
Brutus. God, yeah. Jesus. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I see. I can see a Brazilian football player as well.
I believe so, yeah.
Look at it. It's just fucking the goldest. You could never get any
It's
more awesome
insane,
in this
isn't
place.
it?
No. It's where... Fuck, you can't describe it. You can't. And 4 days of it as well.
Yeah, absolutely magic, isn't it?
Lucas, how do you describe it?
Kangaroo korma, some vegetable, I can't remember what he said, potatoes and spinach in some other language, and garlic kind of stuff. Delicious.